It's time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for advanced level users. There are 5 questions and they'll come fast. I'll only give you a few seconds to answer each one before revealing the correct answer, so feel free to pause the video whenever you need more time. Keep track of your score and we'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. What is a Microsoft Access macro primarily used for? Automating actions without VBA, storing records in a table, designing printed reports, or creating table relationships. That's automating actions without writing VBA code. Question 2. Where can an Access macro be stored? Only in a table, as a standalone database object or attached to an event, only in a report, or only in a VBA module. Macros can be as a standalone database object or attached to an event. Question 3. Which event property is normally used to run a macro when a user selects a command button? On click, on load, on current, or on print? That's going to be the on click event. Question 4. What does a where condition in the OpenForm macro action do? Changes the form's design, limits the records shown when the form opens, saves the current record before opening the form, or prevents the form from being opened. A where condition limits the records shown when the form opens. All right, question 5. In a macro action, what are arguments? And they don't involve my wife. Additional settings that control how the action runs, errors that stop the macro, names of all tables used by the macro, or security permissions for database users. Arguments are additional settings that control how the action runs. How'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Did you slay the dragon and keep all the loot, or are your dice still under the table? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Microsoft Access Advanced Level 1 class, Lesson 2. You'll find a link down below. Thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper.